Good morning, children. I hope all you are doing good. Okay, in last class we have discussed about four-digit numbers, right? In that four-digit numbers, we have studied which is the largest three-digit number, largest four-digit number, and that the expansion form, and then a number name, right? And how can we show the numbers on that abacus, right? Okay, in this class we will discuss about place value chart. Okay, we have in about that four-digit number, how can we write in a place value chart? See, for that 1,000 in place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Okay, this is a for four-digit number place value chart. And then see how can we arrange 9128 arrange in a place value chart. Okay, see how can we arrange that 9128 in place value chart. See, 8 is in a ones place, so we will write that 8 in a ones place, and 2 is in tens place, so 2, and then 100 is in ones place, so we will write it as 1 is in 100 column, and then 9 is in a 1,000 place. Okay, 9128. Understood? This one, how can we read this number now? 9,128. Right? 9,128. Next, what is the place value of this number now? See. Okay, consider the number 9128. 8 is in the ones place. 8 is in a which place now? See, 8 is in a ones place. So its place value is 8 ones or 8. Right? 8 is in the ones place. So the place value of 8 equals to 8 only. Okay, next 2 is in the which place now? Tens place. Right? 2 is in the tens place. So the place value of 2 is 20. Right? 2 is in the tens place. So face value of 2 is 20. Now 1 is in which place now? See, 1 is in 100 place. So the place value of 1 is 100 only. Right? See, in 1,000 place, which number is there now? In 1,000 place, 9 is there. So the place value of 9 is 9,000. Right? The place value is 9,000 or equals to 9,000. Okay, this is easy only. 9, 1, 2, 8. 8 in ones place, so the place value of 8 is 8. 2 is in tens place, so the place value of 2 is 20. 1 is in hundreds place, so place value of 1 is 100. 9 is in thousand place, so the place value of 9 is 1,000. Okay, we will take one more example now. See. Okay, here we'll take another one example. 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay, how can we read this now? 9 is in, how can we read this number now? See, 4,579. 9 is in which place? Ones place. So the place value of 9 is 9 only. Right? 9 is in which place? Ones place. So the place value of 9 is 9. And then 7 is in which place? Tens place. Right? So the place value of 7 equals to 70. Understood now? See, and then 5 is in which place? 100 place. So the place value of 5 equals to 500. Right? Okay. In 1,000 place, which number is there now? See here. In 1,000 place, 4 is there. So the place value of 4 equals to 4,000. Understood now? Easy only. 9 is in ones place, so the place value of 9 equals to 9. 7 is in tens place, so the place value is 70. 5 is in 100 place, so the place value equals to 500. 4 is in 1,000 place, so the place value equals to 4,000. Understood now this one? Right. Like this, you have to write the place value of these numbers. First, you have to see the numbers in a which place, and then you have to write the place value of that number. Okay. Okay. Next. See, how can we expand the numbers? right? Expanded form. See, the numbers 1892 means 1892 and 9122 are formed by the digits 1, 2, 8 and 9. But these two numbers are different. Why these two numbers are different? Because see, the digits are in the different places. So the place value of each digit in the two cases is different, right? See, the numbers 1892 means 1892 and 9122 are formed by the digits of 1, 2, 8, 9, right? See, 1, 2, 8, 9. Here also 1, 2, 8, 9. But these two numbers are different because place value of each digit in the two cases is different. See, in this number 1892, 2 is in a ones place, 9 is in tens place, 8 is in 100 place, 1 is in 1000 place. And in this number 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in 100 place and 9 is in 1000 place. Here in ones place 2 is there, but here in ones place 8 is there, right? So these two numbers are different because this place value is different. So these two numbers are different, right? Here in place value of 2 is 2 and then here place value of 2 is 20, right? Because 2 is in tens place. So here the place value of 2 is 20, but here the place value of 2 is 1. So the place value of each digit in the two cases is different. So these two numbers are different, right? Okay. See, the expanded form of 1892 equals to, how can we write this number in expanded form? See, 1 is in 1000 place. So we will write it as 1000. Okay, the place value of 1 is 1000. So 1000 plus 8 is in 100 place. So place value of 8 equals to 800 plus 800 plus 9 is in tens place. So the place value equals to 90 plus 2 is in ones place. So the place value of 2 is 2. Okay, like this way we will write the expansion form. Okay, 1892. And next one, 9128. How can we write this number in expanded form? See, 9 is in 1000 place, so 9000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 8. First, you have to see the place value of this number and then you have to write the expanded form. Okay, now about this exercise. See, exercise 1.5. Okay, arrange the numbers in the place value chart and write their expanded form. First, you have to arrange the numbers in the place value chart. Okay, and then write the expanded form of that number. First, you have to arrange the numbers in place value chart. See, here they have given a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And then you have to write the expanded form of that number. Okay, here they have given column. Here, first question, 4, 5, 3, 8 is there. Okay, in ones place which number? 8. And then in tens place, 3. So the place value of that number, 30. 5 is in 100 place. So the place value of that number, 500. 4 is in 1000 place. So the place value of that number is 4000. Right? 4000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 8 in expanded form like this. See, 4000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 8. Understood now? First you have to write this number in this chart about their place value. Okay. See, second one, 3085. 5 is in ones place. So the place value of 5 equals to 5. 8 is in tens place. So the place value is 80. 0. In 100 place, 0 is there. So you have to put here 1, 0 only. And then in 1000 place, 3 is there. So the place value of 3 is 3000. And then you have to write that number in expanded form. 3000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 5. Understood now? Okay, next one. 5098. You have to think and you have to see this number and write that numbers in a place value chart, and you have to write that number in a expanded form. Okay, 8 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 0 is in 100 place, 5 is in 1000 place. You have to write that numbers in a place value chart and then write expanded form. Next number is 6137. 6000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 7. Okay, next another one, 9562. These two problems you have to do this in a textbook or classwork. Okay. Second, B main. Write the place value of the digit in red. You have to write the place value of the digit. They have shown in a red color, one number, one digit. You have to write the place value of that digit. Okay, see first one, 3642, 3642. Here for this digit they have given in a red color, right? For this digit you have to write the place value. 2 is in which place? Ones place. So the place value of 2 is 2 only. Right? See, second one. 6078. 6078. 6 is in which place? 1000 place. So the place value of 6 equals to 6000. Okay. Next, third one. 5687. 7 is in ones place. So the place value of 7 equals to 7. Fourth one, 4535. 3 is in tens place, so the place value of 3 equals to 30. You have to see this number and you have to write this one. 1079. 1079. 1 is in 1000 place. For this number, you have to write the place value. Okay. Next, sixth one, 4183. 8 is in tens place, so the place value of 8 equals to 80. Seventh one, 8777. 7 is in ones place, so the place value of 7 equals to 7. This one, eighth one, you have to do 5500. 5 is in a 100 place, so you have to write the place value of that number 5. Ninth one, 9679. This one also. And then 10th one, 2304. 0 is in a tens place, but here also 0 is there. So place value of 0 equals to 0 only. Understood now? These two mains, A and B main. Next, C main. Write in the expanded form. Okay, you have to write these numbers in a expanded form. First one and second one you have to do in a textbook or classwork. See, third one, I did this one. 7812 means 7812. For all these numbers they have given, no, first you have to read this number properly. Okay, 3819, 5983. Like this, you have to read the number and then write the expanded form. Understood now? See this one. 2 is in a ones place. 2. 1 is in tens place. So the place value of 1 equals to 10. 8 is in 100 place. So the place value of 8 equals to 800. 7 is in 1000 place. So the place value of 7 equals to 7000. So expanded form, 7000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 2. Understood now? Next, fourth one. You have to write this number also. 6234. For this number, you have to write in a expanded form. Next, fifth one. 4609. Right? See, 4 is in 1000 place. So 4000 plus 600 plus 0 is there. No need. Okay, no need to write that 0. Directly you have to write a 9. If you write also, that is okay. Okay. 4000 plus 600 plus 9. Next, sixth one, 5962. 5 is in 1000 place, so 5000 plus 9 is in 100 place, so 900. 6 is in tens place plus 60. 2 is in 1 place, so 2. 5000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 2. Next, seventh one. 1011. 1000 plus 10 plus 1. Next, eighth one. 9009. 9000 plus in 100 place also 0. No need. And then tens place also 0. Okay, no need. And then ones place 9 is there. So, expanded form is 9000 plus 9. Right? Okay, next ninth one. 8090. Here also 8019. Okay, for this number also you have to write the expanded form. Next, 10th one, 7433. 7000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 3. Okay, here 3 is there. 7000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 3. Okay, these are the expanded form. Next, write in the short form. Here they have given the numbers in an expanded form. For this number, you have to write in a standard form. Okay, 4000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 8. You have to select the first number only. Okay, 4000 means you have to write 4. And then in 100 place, 300 means 3. And then in tens place, 80 is there. So, 8. And then in ones place, 8 is there. Like this, you have to write 4388. Second one, you have to write 6439. Okay. Next, third one, 7000 plus 700 plus 7. 7707. In tens place, no number. So, you have to put in that place 0. Okay. Don't write like 777. That is wrong only. Okay, in tens place, no number, no. So, in that place, you have to put 0. If you wrote like that 777, that is wrong. That is a 777. Okay, that is wrong. Here, tens place, no number. So, here, in that place, you have to put 0. 7707. See, fourth one also. 9000 plus 90 plus 9. In 100 place, number is there? No. So, in that place, you have to put 0. It will become 9099, right? Next, fifth one. 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 11. It will become 1111. Okay, next, sixth one. 5700 plus 80. Here also in one place, no number. Directly you have to put 0, means 5780. Okay, next, seventh one. See and write. Correctly you have to see. In 1000 place only number is there. In tens place only number. In 100 place also no number. In tens place also no number. In that two places you have to put 0 and write the number. Okay. See, next, eighth one. 5000 plus 100. In tens place also no number. In ones place also no number. In that two places you have to put 0. It will become 5100. If you wrote only 51 means that is wrong. Okay, in these two places, no number means you have to put 0. Understood now this one? Okay, next, ninth one. 2000 plus 20 plus 3. Here also in 100 place, no number. So, it will become 2023. Next, 10th one. 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. It will become 4321. Understood on this one? Expanded form to short form, and then short form to expanded form. These are the numbers in a standard form or short form. You have to write that number in an expansion form like this. Here they have given in a expansion form. You have to write that number in a short form, otherwise standard form. Okay. Next, about ordering of numbers. See, example 1. Compare 3892 and 991. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number, otherwise which is the largest number? 3892. Directly we can say that the 3892 is the largest number, because see, 3892 has a 4 digits and 991 has a 3 digits. Therefore, 3892 is bigger than 991, right? Yes. Here, this number 3892 as a 4 digit and 991 as the 3 digits. So 3892 is biggest number, otherwise largest number. Compared to these two numbers, first number is the largest number, so we have to put this sign. Okay, bigger sign. This one is bigger sign, and 3892 is bigger than 991. Okay, next see example 2. Compare 8326 and 5810. Here these two numbers also having a 4 digits, right? Okay, now in these two numbers, which is the biggest number? How can we compare these two numbers? See here both numbers have a 4 digits, right? So in that time you have to see the compare the digit in a thousand place. If these two numbers also having 4 digits means first you have to compare the thousand place number. Okay, in this thousand place 8 is there. Here in the thousand place 5 is there. So in these two numbers 8 and 5, which is the biggest number? 8 is the biggest number, 8 is the largest number, right? Compared to 8 and 5, 8 is the largest number. So 8326 is the larger than 5810, right? It is bigger than the 5810 because here 8 is bigger than the 5. Okay, this is the bigger sign. Oh, 8 is bigger than the 5. So 8326 is bigger than the 5810. And this is the bigger sign. Next, first here you have to see the first number. If it is first number is bigger than the second number, means you have to put like this bigger sign. Okay, this is the bigger sign. See, next. Example 3. Compare 8326 and 8213. In last example, you see 1000 place. No, see here also in these two numbers 4 digits are there, and then in 1000 place also these two numbers same. Here also 8 is there, here also 8 is there. In that time what we will do next? And then we have to see the 100 place. Right? In 1000 place, these two numbers same only. In 100 place, 3 is there. In this number, in 100 place, 2 is there. Right? See, the digits in the 1000 places are same. So, compare the digits in the 100 place. In 100 place, first number is 3. And then here, 2 is there. Which is the biggest number now in these two numbers? 3. Right? So, 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. So therefore 8326 is greater than 8213. Understood now? If it is in 1000 place, numbers are same, means you have to compare the 100 place. In 100 place, which is the biggest number, that is the greatest number. Okay, 3 is greater than 2. So therefore 8326 is greater than 8213. See, next compare the 8326 and 8385. See, here also 4 digits are there, and then here 1000 place also same, and then 100 place also same. Now we have to compare the which digit now? Now we have to compare the tens place digit, right? In here in tens place 2 is there, and then here in tens place 8 is there. Which is the biggest number now here in 8 or 2? See, the digits in the thousands and hundreds places are same. So compare the digits in the tens place. In tens place 2 and 8 is there. Since 2 is less than 8. Right? 2 is less than, in these two numbers, which is the largest number? 8. 2 is less than 8. Therefore, 8326 is less than 8385. This is the greater than sign. This is the less than sign. How can we put these two signs? See, In this 3 is the greatest number. In here 2 is the smallest number. First you have, in these two numbers, first you have see the first number. If it is first number is greater than, otherwise bigger than the second number, means you have to put greater than sign like this. Okay, if compared to these two numbers, if it is first number is less than second number, you have to put the lesser sign. Understood now this one? First you have to compare these two numbers. First number is less than second number, means you have to put less than sign. First number is greater than second number, means you have to put greater than sign. Understood now this one? Ordering of the numbers. Okay, 8,326 is less than 8,385. Okay, next about data exercise. Exercise 1.6. Fill in the correct symbol. This one is greater than symbol. This one is less than symbol. See, first one, 3,149 dash 3,448. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number? See, both these two numbers also having a 4 digits, right? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then in thousand place also 3 is there. Now we have to compare 1 and 4. In 100 place 1 is there. Here in 100 place 4 is there, right? In these two number, which is the biggest number? 4 or 1? 4 is the biggest number. So in these two number, which is the biggest number? 3,448. So this one, 3,149 is less than 3,448. So here we have to put less than sign. Understood now? In these two numbers, this number is less. Okay, this number is greater number. So you have to put here less than sign. Understood now? Second one, see, 4,807 dash 4,078. Here also in these two place, in 1000 place 4 is there, but in 100 place here 8 is there, here 0 is there. Now 8 is bigger or 0 is bigger? 8 is the biggest number, right? So 4,807 is greater than 4,078. Okay, this one is greater than sign. This number, first one number is greater than the second one number, right? So here you have to put greater than sign. First you have to see the first number. If it is first number is greater than the second number, means here you have to put greater sign. If it is first number is less than the second number, means you have to put here lesser sign. Understood now? Greater and less. See, third one, 5,308 is greater than 2,441. Right? Here in 1000 place 5 is there, here in 2 is there. So 5 is greater than 2. So this number is greater than this number. Okay, next fourth one, 4,705 is less than 5,681. In here also, in 1000 place, here 4 is there, here 5 is there. So 4 is less than 5. So 4,705 is less than 5,681. Okay, next fifth one, 6,817 is greater than 2,820. This also easy only, right? 6 and 2 is there. 6 is greater than 2. So this number is greater than this number. Next, sixth one, you have to see and write. See here, 4,715 dash 5,078 is there. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number, you have to see and put here greater than or lesser sign. Okay, next seventh one, 7,286 is less than 7,305. Here also in 1000 place same number, but in 100 place 2 and 3 is there. 2 is less than 3. So 7,286 is less than 7,305. Eighth one you have to do. Here 8,391 is there. Here 8,395 is there. Up to here in 10,000 place also same, 100 place also same, tens place also same. In this number you have to see ones place. In ones place, which is the biggest number, for that you have to put greater or lesser sign. Okay, ninth one. 4,005 is less than 5,004. Understood now this one, greater than and less than. Okay, this one, exercise 1.6 A main. Next, B main. Put right on the greatest number and wrong mark on the smallest number. First one, 823, 1011, 9990, and then 679. In this first one, 4 numbers, which is the greatest number? This one, 9,000, because see, here only 3 digits are there. Here also 4 digits. In this number, 4 digits, and here 3 digits. Okay, now see, in this 4 digit numbers, here in 1000 place 9 is there, in 1000 place here 1 is there. So this is the biggest number. 9 is greater than the 1. So this is the greatest number. And then see here 3 digits and here also 3 digits. But in 100 place here 8 is there, and then here in 100 place 6 is there. So this is the smallest number. Compared to this number, this is the smallest number. This is also easy only. Okay, you have to put right mark on the greatest number and wrong mark on the smallest number. Okay, in second one, 1,386, 1,066, 1,145, 1,277. In here, all numbers are having 4 digits, right? But see here, in 1000 place, all numbers are having 1 only. Okay, next in 100 place, here 3, here 0, and then in this number 1. In this number 2 is there, but 3 is greatest. So this is the greatest number. Smallest number in 100 place, here 0, here 1, here 2. Compared to these 3 numbers, which is the smallest? This one is the smallest number. So you have to put wrong mark. Okay, see third one also. 7,451, 7,476, 7,429, 7,420. Here also 1,000 and 100 place same, right? And then you have to see the tens place. In tens place, one number 5, 7, 2, 2 is there. Okay, but see here, 7 is the greatest number. So this is the greatest number. And then see here also 2 is there, 2 is there. But in here 9 is there, here 0 is there. So this is the smallest number. You have to put here wrong mark. Okay, next fourth one, 89, 1001, 875, 888. Here 1001 is the greatest number, 89 is the smallest number. Next fifth one, 9,305, 953, 1,999, 9,350. In this number, 9,315 is greatest number and 953 is smallest number. Next sixth one, 7,425, 2,574, 5,247, 7,754. Here 7,425 is the greatest number and then 754 is the smallest number, right? This is the exercise 1.6 A and B main. You have to do these problems in a classwork or textbook. Okay, next C main. C, arrange in a decreasing order of numbers. Decreasing order of numbers means descending order. Okay, you have to arrange these numbers in a descending order. See, first one, 9,325, 9,965, 3,259, 5,239. In these numbers, which is the biggest number? First you have to see. Okay, 9,965 is the biggest number. Okay, next 9,325. Next number is 5,239. Next number is 3,259. Okay, descending order means largest number to smallest number. Like this you have to write, means arrange in decreasing order. Next, second one, 825, 5820, 2085, 8025. For these numbers, you have to write in a descending order. Already you know about this descending order and ascending order. Okay, you have to write these numbers in a descending order. Next, third one, see. 4050, 5004, 4005, 4500. In these numbers, which is the biggest number? 5004. Next number is 4500. Next number is 4050. Last number is 4005. Next, fourth one. 7186, 7786, 789, 798. Okay, correctly you have to see these numbers and write in a textbook. Means descending order, means decreasing order of the numbers. See, next, D main. Arrange in increasing order of numbers. Means ascending order. You have to write these numbers in a ascending order. Smallest number to largest number. Okay, first one. 6393, 9236, 3692, 2963. Okay, first we have to arrange these numbers in a ascending order. Which is the smallest number in these numbers? 2963. Next is 3692. Next number 9693. Next is the 9236. Okay. Next, second one, 4892, 9284, 2849, 9824. For this number also you have to write in a ascending order. Next, third one also you have to do these two problems in a textbook. Okay. Next, fourth one, 1702, 1699, 1969, 1996. In these numbers, which is the smallest number? 1699. Next one is 1702. Next number is 1969. Last number is 1996. This is about descending order and ascending order. Okay, this is up to exercise 1.6. Okay, now I will end the class. If you are having any doubt, means you have to call me. If up to here, you have to complete your classwork and then textbook. Okay, up to exercise 1.6, you have to complete your textbook and classwork. Okay, thank you, children.